Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
Hey everyone, Mustafa here. We all want to grow our money, right? While I'm all about real estate, the stock market can be a powerful tool too. In this video, we're diving deep into 20 companies that I think have serious potential. Stick around, because you don't want to miss these opportunities. First up is Palantir, PLTR. This company is all about big data analytics and artificial intelligence. The demand for this kind of tech is only going up. With strong financial performance and an innovative product line, Palantir is securing more contracts and boosting revenue. I'm talking a potential jump from around $15 to $50 by 2025. Next, we've got SoFi Technologies, SoFi. They're excelling in the Fintech space, offering everything from loans to investing, all through one easy-to-use app. More people are ditching traditional banks for SoFi's digital-first approach. The rapid adoption of digital payment systems is driving growth. Advancements in blockchain technology are creating new opportunities. Increased regulatory support is fostering innovation in the sector. These elements combined make fintech companies a strong investment for the future. With a current price around $13, I'm predicting SoFi could hit $40 by 2025, driven by the rapid growth and adoption of fintech solutions globally. Let's talk renewable energy with SunPower Corporation, SPWR. The world is going green and solar energy is leading the charge. With a strong track record and a focus on innovation, SunPower's stock, currently around $12, could climb to $30 in the next few years due to the increasing demand for renewable energy sources. Investing in renewable energy is investing in the future. Ever heard of a digital twin? Matterport, ticker symbol MTTR, is making them a reality. They're creating three-dimensional digital replicas of physical spaces, and it's a game changer. Imagine being able to walk through a house virtually before you buy it. At around $10 a share, I see this stock reaching $25 by 2025 due to advancements in digital twin technology and its applications. That's the power of Matterport. Gamers, this one's for you. Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR, is a name you know and love. They make high-quality gaming peripherals like keyboards, mice, headsets. With the gaming industry booming and esports gaining popularity, Corsair is in the perfect position to capitalize. Currently trading around $16, I believe Corsair could reach $45 by 2025 due to the growing popularity of gaming and esports. Let's talk electric vehicles with Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. They're focused on making stylish, affordable electric cars for the everyday person. As more people make the switch to electric, Fisker's focus on affordability gives them a real edge. Trading around $7.50 now, I'm predicting Fisker could hit $25 by 2025 due to the increasing adoption of electric vehicles. That's a market that's only going to grow. Remember going to the movies? AMC Entertainment is betting big on the return of the big screen experience. The pandemic hit theaters hard, but people are craving that shared experience again. With the resurgence of interest in cinema and big screen experiences, I think AMC could climb back to $25 by 2025. Nothing beats seeing a blockbuster on the big screen. Next up is Zynga Inc., a major player in the mobile gaming world. Mobile gaming is huge and it's only getting bigger. At around $12 a share, I'm predicting Zynga could reach $30 by 2025 due to the booming mobile gaming industry. Zynga's strategy of acquiring popular games and focusing on social gaming is incredibly smart. Let's talk crypto. Marathon Digital Holdings is a cryptocurrency mining company. Crypto can be volatile, but the demand is clearly growing. Trading around $10 now, I think Mara has the potential to reach $50 by 2025 due to the rising value and adoption of cryptocurrencies. As long as people keep believing in crypto, companies like Marathon will keep profiting. Here's another renewable energy play. Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. They're all about hydrogen fuel cell technology, which is a clean and efficient way to generate power. With the stock at around $15, the potential of hydrogen as a clean energy source could drive it to $45 by 2025. Hydrogen is looking more and more like the future. Ever dreamed of going to space? Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE, is making that dream a reality. They're at the forefront of space tourism, offering flights that take you to the edge of space and back. At around $16 a share, I think SPCE could reach $60 by 2025 due to the growing interest and investment in space tourism. Virgin Galactic is leading the way. Let's get back to EVs with QuantumScape, ticker symbol QS. They're developing next-generation solid-state batteries, which could be a game-changer for the EV industry. Trading around $9 now, advancements in their battery technology could push QS to $35 by 2025. These batteries are safer, charge faster, and could revolutionize the EV market. Nikola, ticker symbol NKLA, is focused on electrifying the trucking industry. With the stock around $10, I think NKLA could reach $35 by 2025 due to the shift towards electric trucks in the transportation industry. The trucking industry is ripe for disruption. Back to gaming with Skills Inc., or SKLZ. They've created a platform that allows you to compete in mobile games for real money. Mobile gaming is massive, and the competitive gaming scene is only getting bigger. Trading around $8 now, I wouldn't be surprised to see SKLZ reach $25 by 2025. The expanding market for mobile esports is a key reason for this prediction. Let's talk about real estate again with Open Door Technologies, ticker symbol OPEN. They're using technology to make buying and selling a home faster and easier. Trading around $12 now, I predict Open could reach $40 by 2025 due to their technological disruptions. Open Door's platform is disrupting the entire real estate industry, driving this potential growth. The cannabis industry is booming, and Tilray, ticker symbol TLRY, is well positioned to capitalize on its growth. With the stock around $13, I think TLRY could reach $35 by 2025 due to the legalization and growth of the cannabis market. They're a global leader in cannabis cultivation, processing, and distribution. Healthcare is ripe for disruption, and Clover Health, ticker symbol CLOVE, is using technology to do just that. With the stock around $10, I believe CLOVE could reach $28 by 2025 due to their integration of AI in healthcare. Their AI-driven approach to healthcare is attracting a lot of attention. As more electric vehicles hit the road, the demand for EV charging infrastructure is skyrocketing. With the stock trading around $13, I think CHPT could reach $45 by 2025 due to the expansion of EV charging infrastructure. ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT, is a leading provider of EV charging stations. 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing, and Velo 3D, ticker symbol VLD, is at the forefront of this revolution. Trading around $8 now, its applications in aerospace and healthcare are driving demand. I wouldn't be surprised to see VLD reach $25 by 2025. Their high-performance printers can create complex parts with incredible precision. Finally, we have Wish, also known as Context Logic Inc., ticker symbol Wish. They're an e-commerce platform focused on providing affordable products to consumers around the world. With the stock around $9, I think Wish could reach $20 by 2025. This prediction is driven by the growth of e-commerce among price-conscious consumers, which aligns with Wish's mobile-first approach and focus on value. There you have it, my top 20 stock picks for 2025. The reason for the prediction of an increase in the price is due to the overall positive outlook and profitability of the market. Now, before you go, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let me know in the comments which of these companies you're most excited about. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and as always, take care of your financial future.